All right, you guys, this, is called our Timewise Repair, aka Botox in a Box. So if you guys are ready to get rid of years of damage, years of fine lines and wrinkles, and get the youthful glow you've always wanted, this is the skincare line for you. I call this like the Cadillac of skincare. And you guys, just a little picture. This is the before and after. Look at that before. That's 2 weeks after. I'm telling you what. This gives you your youth back. It's like the fountain of youth in a skincare. So this Firm complex is made out of 3 main important aspects. So it's made with a biomimetic, say that twice, peptide, a skin barrier peptide. It's a supporting peptide for your skin, and also plant stem cells, okay? So this is going to help reduce the look of fine lines and deep wrinkles. Lifted appearance will be restored. Improve skin's firmness as well as skin's elasticity, enhance the appearance of skin's clarity, and have an overall improved health of your skin. Some of these things also help the hyaluronic acid that's produced in your skin and help you create age-defying results. And so let's dive on in so you guys know how to use this, because I promise you, you are going to love it. All right, so your first step is our foaming cleanser. And you guys, this is so luxurious. I love this. This is so smooth. And honestly, you guys, I throw this in my shower because I love the feeling of it. It instantly tightens your skin. It helps provide your skin with some suppleness, which is super nice. It can even help produce some hyaluronic acid in your skin. Yes, this is basically going to help your skin feel super tight, as well as go from a shrinkled up little raisin back to a plump grape. Okay, it's going to really help add moisture to your skin and leaves your pores looking noticeably smaller, provides luxurious skin care every single day. The moisture-rich foam actually renews skin radiance. Skin feels nourished, like so nourished, and ready for the next step. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and get your face wet, put this on. It will suds up, and make sure you go up and out because gravity pulls your skin down. And if you did not know, your skin ages on average 13 days every time you don't wash it at night. So make sure you do this morning and night, and you will notice such good results. So go ahead and do that now. All right, so now we're gonna do the advanced lifting serum, you guys. And honestly, get ready to get back your triangle of youth. Yes, so you think of a triangle, think right here to right here. Okay, this is your triangle. And so you guys, this is going to help lift this guy. And they don't call this the turkey gobbler anymore. We actually call it the tech neck. Yeah, because everyone's looking down at their phones. More people are getting this than ever. And so reclaim it, get it back. This is going to firm and tighten your skin. It also chisels your cheekbones because it lifts everything, helps your jawline. And honestly, I call this my Spanx in a bottle because it lifts and tightens and makes everything look so good. Just like your booty does in those Spanx, right? And so what you're going to do is you're going to put it on. Honestly, I feel like the limit does not exist whenever you put as many pumps as you want on. It feels like satin. It feels so incredible. So you're just going to go up and lift it on up, and you will notice such big difference when you put this on. When you put this on, it's going to help reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, tightens the appearance of everything like I just mentioned, and skin's moisture is increased dramatically. And so go ahead, put this on, and I promise you, you will absolutely love the feeling of your skin. All right, in the morning time, we have our SPF 30. Okay, so this is our day cream sunscreen broad spectrum with SPF 30, okay? Because you guys, the sun, it damages you, and we are protecting you against this. Not only do you have sunscreen built into this, you have a very luxurious moisturizer that is a cream, and it's going to just enhance your skin. It restores the natural look of your skin's cushion, helps calm your skin. Skin tone appears more even, has that UVA and UVB protection against the sun with SPF 30, increases skin moisture for 12 hours, and also contains that Firm complex. So you can go ahead and put this on. And one of the cool things about it is you only pump as much as you need, because this has a hydraulic system that pumps it up, so you only get what you need, and you'll never pump too much out. And you can know that whenever this is done, it's done. How awesome is that container? And then you go ahead and shut it like that. So go ahead and put it on now. All right, so at nighttime, we have your new BFF. This is our night treatment with retinol. Yes, retinol is the gold standard of skincare, and you guys have it in this. And one of the most beautiful things about this, you guys, it is encapsulated retinol. So it's slow releasing, yes. And you're like, what the heck does that even mean, you guys? You're gonna get the full benefits of retinol, but slow release. So if you have that sensitive skin, or retinol just kind of with you, this is great because you're gonna get it slow releasing. So over time, you're gonna get the full benefits, but it's not a pow. Like if you were to get retinol at a dermatologist, it'd get on your skin and be a pow. And we don't have to worry about that because this doesn't do that. So you're going to get the beautiful retinol experience and all the benefits, but then also with this cream that's going to hydrate your skin for up to 12 hours. I know, like I said, your new best friend. This helps your skin regain firmness and your skin's even skin tone will be restored. It automatically, like I mentioned, moisturizes your skin, but it triples the moisture in your skin. So your skin is going to feel so rich and supple. It's going to help accelerate your skin's turnover rate because remember at nighttime, this is when this is so much more powerful because your skin already rejuvenates itself. This is going to help it go even faster to get that youthful glow you've been wanting. And it noticeably smooths out your neck area. This is so powerful, so effective, and your skin is going to love it. So go ahead and put this on. And remember, this is just like the system of the day cream. So go ahead and pump as much as you need, put it on, and just notice your skin feeling so moisturized and so amazing. All right, and now we got your eyes BFF. This is our Timewise Repair Eye Renewal Cream. This is what I call the Big Daddy because if you need something that's going to make you look more awake, not look like you're your age you are, and you haven't been stressed for a million years, and you also get 10 hours of sleep, this is the guy, okay? So it's going to help with sagginess. It's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to help with dark circles under your eyes. Yes, your new BFF, okay? There's also light crystals which actually help reflect light from it to restore the luminous and help with the effectiveness of the formula. I know, it's awesome. And so the cool thing about it as well is this applicator, you guys, it's so cooling. It's made with Enswell, which is the same metal that when boxers get punched in the face, their coaches will actually put this to their eyes swell open instead of swell shut. So think of this as an instant eye lift in a bottle. I know, I need it almost every single day. This immediately doubles hydration and increases skin's moisture for 12 hours. And like I mentioned, this is the eye lift for your eyes, but also help fight crepiness and dry skin. And so if you have all of that, this is the one you need. And honestly, people come back all the time. And it doesn't even matter if you're using the Timewise Miracle Set or a different skincare line, people always go to this one because it is the best and it's so effective. So go ahead and put this on. And if you were to get this, you would actually use this applicator to do it. But because you just have the sample, use your ring finger, start by your crow's feet, go in and dab this in, and you will notice your eyes getting tighter, feeling more awake, and notice your eyes look incredible. So go ahead and put this on now. And that is it. Doesn't your skin feel amazing? And I bet you know why now we call it Botox in a box. And so let me know which one your favorite product is. And just a little reminder, this is what you do morning and night. It's kind of like brushing your teeth, okay? If you do the hydrogel eye patches and the charcoal mask and the facial peel, whatever little supplement you decided to do with this, that's kind of like mouthwash, okay? And so that's here and there, but this is what you do morning and night to get the best skin. So let me know what your favorite product is, and I can't wait to see your results. All right, so now that I explained it, let's go ahead and use it. We're going to go ahead and get your face wet, whether that's in the shower, at the sink, or just with a washcloth like this. You're going to grab that foaming cleanser, and you need so little, and you guys are going to see it foam up. Yes, it foams up, and you will instantly feel it tighten your skin. It is the best feeling, feels so nourished, so tight, and what can be better than that right out the gate with a skincare line? I don't know. I just love it. So you're going to go ahead, and I also love this because it's really great for sensitive skin. This is that lifting serum. As you guys can see, the limit does not exist. You saw how much I pumped, definitely more than needed, but I absolutely love how cashmere this makes your skin feels amazing. Then you're going to go ahead and put that day cream on with SPF 30. You only pump as much as you need. And you guys, I love this. Again, as you guys can see, I am putting it on my neck too. Do not forget about your neck. We're going to get rid of that tech neck, okay? So any extra, go ahead and put on the back of your hands because that does get a lot of sun and aging too. Then at nighttime, you're going to put that night cream on. And then here we go. Here's that eye cream, the Big Daddy eye cream that we all love. Your eyes will feel so awake, so lifted immediately. And that's how you do it. Surprise, just for using your samples, go ahead and text me Botox box to activate your gift that just keeps giving.